my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful evening. As you can see, yes, my makeup is off. I have already put on my serum and moisturizer. We are just taking it easy. I've got a couple of videos to do. I had quite a few errands to run today, and then this evening we had my son's fall festival at his school, and after about 3.5 hours of walking around, playing games and all of that, on top of all the errands and everything else I did earlier today, this mama is pretty tired. But like I said, I've got a couple of videos I want to go ahead and knock out tonight, so you will see a few videos where I just have serum and moisturizer on. So but thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And don't forget to please leave a comment. Any questions you have, I'd be more than happy to answer, and I love talking with you guys. And make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. But as you can see from the description, I received my free Summer's Eve BoxyCharm. For those of you that do not know, Summer's Eve was running a promotion that if you bought 2 Summer's Eve products in a single transaction by October 27th, you could upload your receipt and you'd get a free BoxyCharm box. So I did that. So here it is. So we're going to take a look and see what is in here. My box cutter. I can't wait to get my November box, and I am getting Boxy Luxe in December, so I'm excited for that. Looks like BoxyCharm has got some great stuff coming up, so I'm super, super excited. But let's take a look at this BoxyCharm Summer's Eve collaboration box. So we open it, and this is what it looks like. Got some papers here. So this is kind of telling you about BoxyCharm if you don't already know. It is $21 a month. You receive 4 to 5 full-size items, and the value of the box is always over $100. And it's always a great box. Even when it's not that great of a box, it's still a great box. And then there's also in here, looks like a coupon for $1 off 2 Summer's Eve products. So, all right, this is what it looks like when we open it, and I have good news for you guys. It looks like 4 of the 5 products are products that I received in my October BoxyCharm. So that means you guys are going to get this. I'm going to add these products. Let me check the Kat Von D. It's the same color. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to put the 4 products that I already received in last month's box in the giveaway pile that I have mentioned that I'm putting away for once I hit 1,500 subscribers. We'll do a giveaway. These items will be in that giveaway. So let's go ahead and we will start. The Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It is in the color Crucifix, which at first, when I got my October box, I was a little disappointed because it is very, very dark. But if you put this on lightly, and then if you have like a shimmer, copper, burgundy, you can actually make a pretty decent look with it. So this will be in the 1,500 subscriber giveaway once we reach 1,500. And then the full size IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. and it is in it's a, what was it, super black. So, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a $20 value. I believe this was $24. There is also the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's actually a spray. Oh, I don't know why they call it a mask. So this will be in that as well, and I believe this had like a $12 value. It smells really good, and it does work well, so this will be in that giveaway. And then there is also, I'm gonna save the bubble wrap. I don't want to take it out of the box. I don't want to open it. But this is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. It is, there are 6 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 2 highlighters. So it's kind of a face palette. Here you can see the colors. These are actually very gorgeous. There's only one matte shade, and it's like a chocolate brown. All the others, the silver, there's like a greenish, purple, a black, a blue, they are shimmer shades. And then you have the 2 blush shades here. This one actually could be used for an eyeshadow, and then you have 2 highlighting shades here, possibly contour depending on your skin tone. So this will be in the giveaway as well. I don't remember the value off the top of my head, but I want to say around like $30. So this will be in the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you tell your friends so we can go ahead and get to 1,500 and have this giveaway happen. And the other item I received was not a duplicate, and I actually love this, so I am super excited to have it in this size. It is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in y'all, that's how tired I am, in Sea Kissed. So this is like the perfect size for your purse. So this will not be in the giveaway. I'm sorry. I have a big one of the Ahava hand creams, but like I said, this is perfect for your purse. It's getting to be winter, so I am going to keep this one. But the other 4 products, like I said, will be in the 1,500 subscriber giveaway once we reach that point. So we're not too far off. We're right at 1,200. So like I said, tell your friends, tell your family to come over and check out my channel, and let's get to 1,500 so we can do this giveaway. So that was basically it was the October box, but it was the free box you got if you participated in the Summer's Eve collaboration and purchased 2 Summer's Eve products and uploaded your receipt. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.